I found a letter that said, I'm sorry that you were asleep when I wrote these words down. You'd think I ought to be used to that by now. Save for a few of those late night episodes, missed opportunities, and I don't care. There's not a lot that I feel obliged to share or talk about.